The Lok Sabha on August 6th passed the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026, giving the centre the legal power to allow banks and payment service providers to levy charges on UPI and other notified digital payment modes in the future. The bill, which replaces the June 5th ordinance, was passed by voice vote without discussion amid opposition protests. It amends the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007, the Income Tax Act 2025, and the Finance Act 2026. The amendment removes the legal restriction on charging the merchant discount rate or MDR on notified digital payment modes. However, it does not immediately impose charges on UPI transactions. Instead, it gives the government the authority to decide which digital payment modes may attract MDR in the future. The centre said the move is aimed at creating a sustainable revenue model for banks and payment service providers while making India a more attractive destination for investment and business. Earlier, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra said it was premature to discuss MDR on digital payments but noted that payment infrastructure has to be funded either by taxpayers or through a user-pays model such as MDR. Industry experts believe that if MDR is introduced, it is likely to apply only to high-value merchant UPI transactions and not to peer-to-peer payments.